Consider the function f of x equals sine x. Determine where the graph of f of x is concave up. This is section 3.4, so we are to assume that we know how to graph sine x. So let's graph sine x and see what we come up with. Sine x starts out at the origin, 0, 0. Goes up to 1, bottoms out at -1. Okay, peaks out at half a pi, hits the x-axis again at regular pi, bottoms out at 3 over 2 pi, and then comes back up to repeat the process at 2 pi. Repeat, repeat, repeat. So let's draw that out, which I'm always really bad at. Yep, see how bad I am? Michael Jackson sang a song about that. So in a perfect world, it would look like this. Now, concave up looks like that. So where does this guy look like that? Well, between pi, but not including, and 2 pi and not including, which means B is where it's concave up. Thanks for watching.